Jussie Smollett asks court to review conviction being upheld. Embattled American actor Jussie Smollett is asking the Illinois Supreme Court to throw out his 2021 conviction for lying about being the victim of a hate crime in 2019, arguing his trial violated his constitutional protections against double jeopardy. The actor, who is best known for his role on the TV show Empire, has claimed he was the victim of a racist and homophobic hate crime in 2019. But after investigating his claims, police began focusing on Smollett himself, and he was charged with 16 felonies, accusing him of staging a fake hate crime against himself and lying about it to the police. Those charges were later dropped and in exchange for $10,000 bond and 16 hours of community service. But a judge later appointed a special prosecutor to determine if new charges should be filed after ruling the deal to drop the initial charges were invalid. That special prosecutor later brought new charges against Smollett, who was convicted on 5 counts of disorderly conduct in 2021 and was sentenced to 150 days in jail. He spent only 6 days in custody before he was released while he appealed his case. In December, an Illinois appeal court upheld Smollett's disorderly conduct conviction, voting 2-1 in favor of upholding the conviction. Jussie Smollett has maintained he's innocent and testified at trial that the attack against him was real, but the jury sided with prosecutors who had argued the attack was a publicity stunt. The Illinois Supreme Court is yet to schedule any hearings on Smollett's appeal. It likely will be several months before any ruling is handed down if the court agrees to hear the case. It could also decline to take up Smollett's appeal, thereby sealing his conviction. If the court does not take up Smollett's appeal or upholds his conviction, his case will then be sent back to the trial court for him to complete his 150-day sentence. Wow.
Well, to be honest, he put himself in this situation.
Yep,
to be honest.
he did.
So whether guilty or not, my opinion is that if you tell a lie, you need 10 million lies to cover that one lie. I mean, so this is a particular topic in the world that is very sensitive. You know, along with racism and all that, all the stuff. This is a particular topic that's very sensitive, especially in the American community. And let's not talk about Hollywood. You know, so there are major activists for these things, and then you come out as an actor, a public figure, and you come on live, or you're making videos and you're talking about this situation happening to you, and it's later found out that it was all an act that you did. You should actually face the route. You should definitely face the route to the full extent. So I wish him well, but he put himself in this situation, and an example has to be made of.
Yes, yes. And this has been going on for years. Like, I hope that this whole thing just gets sorted. If he's serving 60 hours or 150 days, let him just complete the whole conviction, and let's just forget about the case and let him move on with his life. Because his life has been on hold since like 2019, and then the conviction started in 2021. So it was in the prime of his career, getting off Empire, the season still continuing, and all of this just happened to him. So this is just to tell people out there, whether you're a celebrity or not, to always be careful what you put on the internet and what you do in public.
Yep.
The internet never forgets.
Reduce the cloud chasing.